Hello everybody, my name is GK, and welcome to my habanero 10-minute challenge. With me I have this little thing, a habanero? Habanero? I'm not sure. But it's a chili. I bought this one and I thought, why not make a video out of my little pleasure here. So the challenge is for me to eat this and do not consume any other food or drink anything else within 10 minutes after I've eaten this and swallowed it. Or I guess like 10 minutes after I actually put it in my mouth. I guess that would make more sense. And then wait the 10 minutes without doing anything and see how it goes. So this is the habanero, and I'm known that you should watch them. And then I'll cut it up and then eat it. Oh, it's ooh. There we go. Ooh. And then I think this end as well, the little tip. There we go. There we have it. So I'll get the timer ready. I hope you're ready. Let's see here. Okay. I am ready. So here we go. Well, it does taste good. It tastes very, I don't know, like, like a normal pepper. You chew on it, has a lot of seeds in it. Ooh, it's pretty hot. Oh, and well, yeah. Whew. Then it's just like doesn't burn right away, but oh, I can feel it now. Well, not too bad actually. I like spicy food, and this is actually pretty good. It's not too bad yet. Oh, it's pretty bad though. I have an emergency glass of milk next to me, which I'll drink after the 10 minutes if I can do it. It's pretty, I can feel it now. Whew. It's most in the mouth that is actually burning, like just in the mouth. I can feel a little bit in the throat after I swallowed it. But holy, it's pretty spicy. But it tastes good. Sure did. My nose is running well now. As well now. Oh, I can't even speak anymore. I think I'm pretty good now. If I just relax, then the pain go away. Well, there's not much pain, it just burns a lot. Oh, I can feel it in the chest now. I think I got it now. Okay. And just as you think you have it, it comes back to you. Holy. Alright. It's only 2:40 now. Ooh. Can I make the 10 minutes? Yes. I really want to drink that glass of milk though. It's right here. I have it right here. Glass of milk. Gonna drink that when the 10 minutes has passed. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Hopefully it's gonna help. Anyways, it's pretty good. I'd recommend this to anybody who likes spicy food, like chilies. Oh god, it's actually stinging a lot in the left side where the heart actually is. Don't hope this results in a hospital visit. That would not be very nice. I think it's good. I got it. But I'd recommend this if you are a fan of spicy food and you like spicy food. Then this would be a fun little one to try as well. I enjoy it. It's good, even though it might sting a little bit and burn a lot, but it's tastes tastes good. I can feel in the belly now. Oh, it's not happy for that. And my stomach is burning a lot. Whew. 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Oh, I think it's going a little bit away. It's not burning as much in the mouth anymore. It's most chest and stomach part, like the whole torso is burning up right now. Whew. 5 minutes. It's starting to hurt a lot right now. What the? Why does it hurt so much in the chest? Oh, it's spicy. Okay, it's going a little bit away now. And no, it's not. It's still there. Oh, it's burning up my chest. I wish it would not just sting that much in the chest. Whew. It's a good burn though. It's like spicy food does. It's like you can feel it all over the body. It giving you the heat all over the body. If you're going out, now it's the winter time. If you're going out in the cold, I recommend you eat one of these before going out. And I'm sure you will not feel cold at all. Holy. It's going away now again. I think the first 5 minutes are like the worst. I think that's like the traveling from the mouth through the chest down to the stomach. Still feel it in the stomach, a little bit in the chest, not that much anymore as in the beginning. Oh, it's not that bad right now, just the stomach. I can feel it burning up. As long as I just breathe, it's all gonna be good. That was pretty spicy though. But it's good. It's good. You should try it out. Though, if you are not a fan of spicy food or like not used to it, I would not recommend you do it, because this might be another experience for you then. I do not eat a lot of spicy food, I just enjoy it, I like it. When I do come across it, I enjoy very much to eat it. But I have not eaten a lot of spicy food before this. Like I eat jalapenos a lot. I like those, they give a little taste. And I eat dried chili. I don't know like how strong that is on the Scoville scala. I guess it's just a normal red chili. But yeah, I'm almost at the 10 minutes and I pretty much survived yet. But 9:40, 45. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I think I'll have a glass of milk now. 7 seconds left. Just a little bit more there. 5, 3, wait, what? And 1, and there we go. 10 minutes, as you can see. So that was that challenge. I will drink this glass of milk. I think I deserved it. So here we go. Well, that was that. Hi. Well, that was my 10-minute habanero challenge, and I completed it. Yay! But if you liked this, then go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you'd like to see more like this, tell me in the comments or write to me. If you want me to eat spicy food, give a recommendation or something. If you want any other challenge, recommend something. I might do more, cannot promise anything, but it was fun. And I now tried a habanero for the first time. Not as bad as I thought it would be, but it was still fun and I managed. So, thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. So, I'll see you in whatever comes next. So, till then, take care. Bye bye.